To load the data from a file source system, what is requirement in BI system? Before you can transfer data from a file source system, the metadata must be available in BI in the form of a data source. In SAP BW, is it possible to have multiple data sources have one info source? Yes, it is possible to have multiple data sources have one info source. How data is stored in PSA? The data is stored in a form of PSA tables. What is UD Connect in SAP BW system? How does it allow reporting in BI system? Universal Data UD Connect allows you to access relational and multidimensional data sources and transfer the data in form of flat data. Multidimensional data is converted to flat format when Universal Data Connect is used for data transfer. UD uses J2EE connector to allow reporting on SAP and non-SAP data. Different BI Java connectors are available for various drivers protocols as resource adapters. They are BI OD BO connector, BI JD BC connector, BI SAP query connector, XML A connector. What is the use of DB connection in SAP BW data acquisition? DB Connect is used to define other database connection in addition to default connection, and these connections are used to transfer data into BI system from tables or views. To connect an external database, you should have below information: tools, source application knowledge, SQL syntax in database, and database functions. While loading data from flat files, when separators are used inconsistently, how this will read in BI load? If separators are used inconsistently in a CSV file, the incorrect separator is read as a character and both fields are merged into one field and may be shortened. Subsequent fields are then no longer in the correct order. What is the use of navigational attributes? Navigational attribute is used for drilling down in the report. Explain the difference between InfoCube and ODS. InfoCube is structured as a star schema where a fact table is surrounded by different DEM tables that are linked with DEM IDs. ODS is a flat structure with no star schema concept and which will have granular data with detailed level and override functionalities. What is partition of an InfoCube? It is the method of dividing table for report optimization. SAP uses fact file partitioning to improve performance. We can partition only at OCal month or OFISC per. Table partitioning helps to run the report faster as data is stored in the relevant partitions, as table maintenance become easier. What is the use of rollup? This is used to load new data package into the InfoCube aggregates. If we have not performed a rollup, then the new InfoCube data will not be available while reporting on the aggregate. What do you understand by start and update routine? Start routines. The start routine is run for each data package after the data has been written to the PSA and before the transfer rules have been executed. It allows complex computations for a key figure or a characteristic. It has no written value. Its purpose is to execute preliminary calculations and to store them in global data structures. This structure or table can be accessed in other routines. The entire data package in the transfer structure format is used as a parameter for the routine. Update routines. They are defined at the info object level. It is like the start routine. It is independent of the data source. We can use this to define global data and global checks. Explain the difference between Operation Data Store, InfoCube, and Multi-Provider. ODS or Operation Data Store. They provide granular data, allows overwrite, and data is in transparent tables, ideal for drill down and RRI. InfoCube. This is used for star schema. We can only append data, ideal for primary reporting. Multi-provider. It contains a physical data and allowed to access data from different info providers. Can you set up info objects as virtual providers? Yes, you can set up info objects as virtual providers. To perform a union operation on info providers, which info provider is used? Multi-provider. When you define aggregates, what are the available options? Hierarchy, fixed value, and blank are the options available. Can you convert an info package group into process chain? Yes, double-click on the info package group, then click on Process Chain Maintenance button and then type in the name and description. Is it possible to convert a standard info cube to real-time info cube? To convert a standard info cube to real-time info cube, you have two options. Convert with loss of transactional data, conversion with retention of transaction data. Can you make an info object as info provider and why? Yes. When you want to report on characteristics or master data, you can make them as info provider. How do you create a real-time info cube in Administrator Workbench? A real-time info cube can be created using real-time indicator checkbox. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends.